So how does Redii actually work? Well, once you've logged in, you'll see your own personal profile page. Now, this will be entirely customized to your company, look, feel, logo, and perhaps you've created your own recognition program name. Here you can see ours is called Creating Extraordinary Cultures. On the left-hand side, you'll see the awards and the available awards. Now look, there's 4 or 5 different types of awards as a general rule. The first one is an e-card, which will be a thank you award, a simple how to make someone's day and recognize some additional behaviors that they may be doing. The second one will be a simple points to points allocation from your peers. So it could be a talk about awesome award that you as a peer may have an allocation of points that you can distribute to other peers. This is what you can use to recognize others within the organization. We highly encourage peer-to-peer recognition and peer-to-peer points allocation as part of any recognition program. In fact, it's a best practice approach. It stops a sense of entitlement and subjectivity and allows people to feel like they are truly contributing to the organization and being a part of the success around where the business is going. It's also quite powerful and impactful to receive points and celebration and recognition from your peers, not just your manager. Of course, your manager has to celebrate and recognize you. It's their job. But to receive it from peers, it's kind of a big deal. So using those points to points allocation options is a great opportunity to really galvanize your team. So an e-card or a peer-to-peer allocation, or perhaps you'd like to create a managerial allocation award where your manager is given a certain amount of points per year or month or quarter that they distribute through their team based on particular awards. Or you might have a self-nomination award, which may occur quarterly, like an innovation award or a customer service award, where people have to nominate themselves or others, describe why they deserve the award, and it's approved by a particular framework that you can choose. You can customize any award within the system, as well as the approval and nomination process at any time. You can create an unlimited amount of awards, everything from simple e-cards all the way through to 5-year work anniversaries, which are automatically sent so you don't forget. Even birthday awards can be automated in our system so that when it's your team member's birthday, it's celebrated across the recognition wall. They get a welcome and happy birthday notification, and a lot of organizations also believe in providing them with points to spend in the store. So those are just a few of the awards options that you can have. So on the left-hand side, whenever you come to your personal page, you'll see all the awards options. On the right, you'll see the public recognition wall. So this is all the recognition that's being shared throughout the business. Now, as you can see, Amanda has received the Thanks Award, which is a simple e-card, and it describes which values that they've been allocated for, a description of why she received the Thanks Award and by whom. This also allows a social interaction where people can like or comment. And when that award is published on the recognition wall, Amanda receives an email saying, "Hey, Amanda, you've been recognized," bringing her back to the recognition wall. Now, let's send a recognition piece so that you can see how it works. Let's send a simple e-card saying thanks. Click on which award you'd like to send, search for someone to recognize. Here, you might click Amanda or whoever that might be, hit next, describe what you'd like to say, and then identify the values, behaviors, or particular objectives that this needs to align to. So for this award, let's say it was aligned to communication and integrity, part of our values. Send that recognition, Amanda will receive an award, and you can either continue recognizing or just say, "I'm done for now." Now, as an employer or an admin, you have the option to also customize your program as many times as you like. So when you go through to the admin hub, you'll get information on the number of users as well as number of instances of recognition. Under settings, you can change branding, company options, different billing details. Here you can also create a single sign-on option for your company, and that's just a simple click through for your IT department to implement. You can also click on the API key, which will allow you to plug your recognition wall into your intranet at any given time. The other options you can use to customize is your awards. So you can create a new award and go through a simple step-by-step process of creating an award, identifying your values and behaviors, how the nomination process would work and be approved, as well as some reporting on those awards. Here you can download information about recognitions, instances of recognitions, teammates that are being recognized or are sending recognition. This is where perhaps you can do a nice good pulse check on seeing whether or not your managers and team members are sending recognition to each other. Under users, you can do a bulk upload using Xero, or you can download our bulk upload template, whereby you input the information into a CSV template and it automatically comes up into the system. In this upload, we take the username, email address, as well as their birth date and work anniversary. And that allows you to send some automatic awards around their birth date as well as their work anniversary. And we get to send information to their email address as well. You can look at how many points they have, what their status is, whether or not they've spent their peer-to-peer points, and you can edit them as to whether or not they've been deactivated or whether or not they were waiting approval. You can also set some automation options, so as soon as you add new users, you can give them points or have them be part of the system in other ways. It's a simple step-by-step process. Under points, you'll see that you have an opportunity to assign points to manager accounts or different peer-to-peer accounts. Now, you only get charged when they actually allocate those points into another account. But this gives you the option to set a certain amount of points across the business or across different peer-to-peer allocation. Here's where you can bulk upload some of those peer-to-peer points or manager points. So let's say, for example, you'd like to give all managers a particular amount of points in the system or all users a particular amount of points that they can distribute to others. Here's where you can do all those very simple and quick bulk assignments and just click Assign Points. You can also have it so that any new user, as soon as they get onto the system, are given a certain amount of points. So it's a really simple way of being able to allocate points according to your business needs. Under the communication tool, you can actually use this to do company announcements. So if you'd like to create an entire company-wide announcement, use the recognition wall to be able to share that as well as send it to every single user. This allows you to publish information around business vision, let's say, and you can choose to either just post to the wall or send it via email. As soon as you click post, it's live and ready on the recognition email, and an email has been sent to all users within the system. The system is simple to use and very user-friendly. We have a variety of ways that you can share and celebrate and recognize different activities within your organization that you want to encourage. Recognition is about engagement, and it's also about ensuring business growth is aligned to the attributes and values that you're looking to celebrate. So whenever you're setting up your program, make sure that it's meeting those business needs as well as your culture needs. Thanks for watching, and best luck on building the best practice recognition program for you.